What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert and certified fitness coach. In today's video, we're showing you how to switch up your boring breakfast with a healthy, flavorful, and simple to make breakfast quesadilla. You can make this recipe for just yourself, or you can share it with your entire family. And in just 10 minutes, you can have this breakfast quesadilla to enjoy at home or on the go. So grab your favorite quesadilla ingredients and let's get started. We're using these simple ingredients, but you can use more or less based on your preference. So we have tortillas, eggs, black beans for my vegetarians, cheese and salmon, and a little bit of butter. Keep in mind you can use any non-stick spray of your preference. All right, we're gonna check and make sure that the skillet is hot. Feel free to use a cast iron skillet or a non-stick cooking pan. That sizzle, it's hot. All right, so spread your butter around your skillet. This is 2 eggs. You want to take your spatula or fork and you want to make sure that there's no big bubbles. So I'm going to move the skillet around just slightly. Make sure there are no runny parts. So this egg is cooking pretty quickly. Good amount of cheese. You can use low-fat cheese or any type of cheese that you like. I'm using a combination of a Mexican blend. Now we're going to take one of our tortillas and we're going to press down onto the surface. You're going to let the cheese melt into the tortilla just a bit. Take your spatula and you want to get underneath the egg. Take a little bit more cheese. All right, so we're going to add in some salmon on 1/2 of the tortilla. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna flip and get everything going. So give you a nice texture on the bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit extra butter, just a little bit, 1/2 tablespoon, or you can just eyeball it, just a little bit. We're gonna make sure that you lift it up, then you check the texture, and we're gonna flip this guy. All right, so we're gonna cook the other side between 2 and 3 minutes. You're gonna let the peppers saute about between 3 and 4 minutes. If you want them cooked fully, I would say go maybe 5 or 6, but I like a little bit of a crunch with mine, so just a little bit of crunch, so just about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, we're gonna add a nice amount of cheese. All right, gonna take your tortilla. You're gonna press down onto the cheese. This is the glue. The cheese is the glue. Flip. Perfect. We're gonna add some black beans. We're gonna make sure that they're nice and mashed. And I have a few whole ones on top. And your black beans are gonna add nice amount of fiber and also protein. All right, last going in, we're going peppers. Gonna add the peppers on top of the cheese. Extra color, extra flavor, and those nutrients. Fold it over. All right, and give it a nice press, a nice firm press. And we're gonna add a little bit more butter. It looks like it can go on a little bit longer. Give it a press, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, about between 3 and 5 minutes. Here's how we take breakfast to the next level, a breakfast quesadilla. Simple, flavorful ingredients. Now let's taste it. So I have two versions, one with salmon, one with black beans, and this is the salmon version of the breakfast quesadilla. And this crema is next level. I haven't even tasted yet, but let me just get to it. Oh my God. Guys, people, this is great. Not only is this breakfast quesadilla delicious, it is also nutritious. You're gonna get your protein from your egg and your salmon, along with some healthy fats and carbohydrates from the tortilla, which is gonna give you the fiber. It's also gonna help you stay fuller longer and keep you from snacking in between meals. And if you're on keto, you can swap out a regular tortilla shell for a low carb version, or maybe it could be made out of coconut flour, almond flour, or even cassava. You take your pick. So please let us know how you like it in the comment section. Let us know what you used in your breakfast quesadilla. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get updated on when we upload new content. Peace.